Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll just be showing you on how to peel ginger using a spoon, and I'm just cutting out the portion that I need, and I just need a small portion for this one, and I'll be using a small spoon, a teaspoon, to peel the skin off the ginger. And it's very easy. You don't have to use a lot of force, just slightly, and the skin will come off easily. I find this method very effective and really works very well because you don't cut out any ginger, unlike when you're using a knife. The tendency is to cut out some portions of the ginger, but when you use a spoon, you literally just peel off the skin, and it's really good, and you also get the best result out of it. It's that simple. So I'm almost getting done, as you can see. And after you've finished, you can just wash your ginger and it will be ready for use for whatever recipe you're going to be using. I hope you liked this video and enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and leave a comment.